In this video, you will learn how to link chart title to a cell in Excel. Currently, you can see here I have linked this title with this cell in Microsoft Excel. If I make any change in the text of this cell, then this change will be reflected in this title. For example, I will change this text. I will click here and I will write production of cotton in Punjab. Press enter. Now you can see here our title is automatically changed because I have linked this title with this cell. I will again change this text. Press enter. Now you can see here our title is automatically changed. So let's learn how to link chart title with a cell in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will generate multiple bar graph. Select this data. Go to Insert tab. And here is the option of charts. Click this one, which is the bar or column option. From here, I will select first one. Now you can see here, we have successfully inserted a graph here. If chart title did not appear on your graph, you can manually add chart title in your graph. To add chart title, click on this graph. Now you can see here I have selected this graph. Go to this plus sign or chart element option. And here is the option of chart title. Currently you can see here this option is already selected. If I deselect this one, then this title will disappear. If I select again, now this option will appear in our graph. Now you can see here chart title is inserted. Now click on this chart title. Now you can see here we have selected chart title. It is indicated by these small circles which appeared around this title. After selecting the chart title, click on this formula bar. Click here and insert equal sign. Now you can see here I have inserted equal sign. Now select the cell which contain text. I will select this cell. Click here. After that, press enter. Now you can see here our title is automatically changed. You can also make formatting change. For example, if I select red color, then this color will be changed to red one. Now you can observe that I have successfully linked the chart title with this cell. If I make any change in this cell, then this change will be reflected in our title. For example, I will write production of cotton in Punjab. Press enter. Now you can see here chart title is successfully changed. So by following this video, you can easily link chart title to a cell in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.